What's up, traders, and welcome to another section of the Greatness FOREX Academy. In this video, we are going to be doing a weekly FOREX forecast of the pairs we'll be adding to our watch list for this coming week. This month has been a great month so far, and this is the first month of the this first week of the month, and we've had a plus 19 already, plus 19 reward. So it's been a great month, and we have some running trades already, running risk free, and we hit our take profit very soon this coming week. So we won't be adding much pairs to our watch list this week because we have some running trades, so as to avoid currency correlation. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the chart and see what we've got. Now we have 1 euro, British pound, USD card, euros, card, CHF running risk free, and because of that we'll be adding just these 3 pairs to our watch list to avoid much move. Okay, to avoid much move. Sorry, I was speaking with someone. Now the first pair we're adding to our watch list here is the GBP USD. Looking at this weekly time frame, you can see that we have an impulsive move to the upside, thereby breaking structures, and overall this is a downtrend because it breaks this structure, and we expect the market to retest this area, this region, for what? For a push to the downside. Now what are you going to expect here? Because looking at this structure here and looking at this structure here also, you'll be confused and want to know whether to short or to long. Now let me make it clear to you first. Let's go over to the monthly time frame and see what we are getting from this monthly time frame. Now from the monthly time frame we are getting the same thing. Now to make it very simple, let's go over to the weekly time frame. Let me explain something to you due to experience. Now due to experience, this is what I will do if I'm to take this trade. Sorry, I'm having bad network. Let me load this fast. Now let me show you something due to experience, what I've noticed so far in the market. Now if I'm to take this trade, this is what I would do. Now this is a structure here and this is a structure here, and this structure is telling us this market overall is a downtrend that is supposed to retest here and go down, and this structure is telling us it just broke this area and is supposed to go to the upside. So what are you going to be expecting? Now if I'm to take this trade personally, this is the kind of move we are seeing here. And you see this kind of move? Now it's coming from the upside. Let me put it this way. And this kind of move you are getting here, let me explain it this way. And this kind of move you are getting here, this is structure level. This is another structure level, though this is a W formation. Now what are you going to do? You have to wait for it to test this structure level, pull down, and at the retest of this level you take a long to the upside. This is what you are getting here, exactly what you are getting here. Now let me explain. You are to expect, let me make use of arrows, a little push to this area from the weekly time frame, then it will move back to this region, this structure, and the next move will be an impulsive move breaking this structure. Because from this present price action, I don't use past price action, because past experience does not mean the present experience will be the same. Past performance does not determine present performance. So I won't go back and say look at structure here, look at no, I use present price action. And due to this present price action, you can see the structure has been broken, telling you this is an uptrend. Remember, the market moving impulse, correction, impulse, and what's a former resistance turns support, it becomes an uptrend, and a former support turn resistance, it becomes a downtrend. As you can see, this is a former resistance about to turn support here, so this is an uptrend. So overall, some person will short here for the market to come down here, which I will do also if this is a W formation, because to take a whole week for the market to come to this region. So let's not waste time on this one pair. Let's go over to the daily time frame so you can see the structure very well. Now some person will short here because it might take a whole week, or let's say a whole week, for the weekly candle to go from here to here and close above here or below here. Let's know the next action, whether to long or to short. So some person will short here, but however, this is what I will advise all of you to do. Just add this pair to your watch list and monitor the pair for a long opportunity at this region. So I'll be publishing this also on Tradingview for those following to get what we just gave on YouTube. And the next pair on our watch list is AUD USD. Now let's start this analysis from the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly time frame, what can you see here? I can see let me say, yeah, I can see an inverted head and shoulder pattern about to form. Now this is the double top that was formed here, equal high, and the market, the market, this is how it moves. If it comes down like this, goes up, now make a fake breakout here and close back below this region that it broke out. Now it will form what, equal high at this region, and at the retest of this low, it will move and form an inverted head and shoulder pattern, which you are seeing here. This is exactly what you are to expect here. So which area is the inverted head and shoulder pattern going to meet? This area. Now the right shoulder is always lower than the left shoulder, so this is a left shoulder, so the right shoulder might get to somewhere here, and push to the upside. Okay, let me identify it. Might get to somewhere here and push to the upside. So what are you going to be expecting? You go over to the weekly time frame, because we just got what we want from the daily monthly time frame. Now coming down to the weekly time frame, this is the area you should be monitoring for your long opportunity. However, like I said before, some person will short this same pair for at least a 1 to 3 weeks to reward to complete this right shoulder, because this will take a whole week, if not more than, for this right shoulder to complete, because we got this from the monthly time frame. So this is a short. Let me not say 100%, but you can short it. However, if it break this region, because we are going to short it because it closed below this resistance area. How I wish it closed above this resistance area, we will be looking for a long opportunity if it will push up a bit, but because it closed below it, then the next candle should be a bearish candle, which is going to come down to this region. So we are going to be shorting this pair. Yeah, we're going to be shorting this pair. If the rules of our strategy are satisfied, we're going to be shorting it with the students for at least a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. So we have two opportunities here, this opportunity, this short opportunity, and the long opportunity. So let's see what we are getting from the daily time frame. Which kind of price action are we getting? The same price action from the monthly. As you can see, this is the area we just identified. So if this will give us a 1 to 3 weeks to reward, we'll short it to the downside, and which I know it's gonna give. So let's go to the last pair we have on our watch list. The last pair on our watch list, starting from the monthly time frame. Let's go over to the monthly time frame. We are getting the same price action with what? With that of the AUD JPY, and I think this is because it's a correlated pair, because they both have JPY as their quote currency. So we are going to apply COT to this to filter the one we are going to take. So the same move you are to expect, but this the one from the AUD JPY has completed the double high, but the one from this CAD JPY hasn't completed. So you are expecting something like this, is a little push to this region, then before you complete the right shoulder and then break this structure level. So what are you going to be looking out for? Let's say something like this. You wait for it to get here and short to the right shoulder. You wait for it to get to this equal high and short to the right shoulder. So you'll be looking for a short opportunity to this region. If the rules of our strategy are satisfied, and if it's giving us a 1 to 3 weeks to reward, we'll short it to the right shoulder before we start looking for a long opportunity, if also the rules of our strategy are satisfied. So going on the weekly, this is the same thing. We identify from the monthly, and on the daily we are getting the same price action. So I would advise you add this pair to your watch list. We are going to filter this pair with COT data, what they are once I update the students about it, so we'll know which we are taking. But we already have running trades, and we can decide not to trade throughout this week, and we decide to go on the day trading perspective and day trade throughout the week. But because we are full-time swing traders, we might still decide to add. If 1 or 2 of these pairs hit our take profit, we will add more, because I know none of these pairs we add to our watch list will provide our entry rule Monday or Tuesday. So this is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so as to get notified each time we publish a new video, and also share to your friends and family who are interested in learning forex for free, because on Greatness FX we offer free forex education both on our YouTube channel, our Telegram channel, our Facebook page, and our website. And we also have a part for our mentorship program link, where you get a 3-in-1 rule-based strategy that has been tested and has been proven that is working for us, and we are giving it out for a promo price which you will get from the website. Okay, the COT which I'll be telling you about, because the COT, I'm supposed to be adding it to each analysis I'm making so we can know what the hedge funds are doing. By the grace of God, the COT will be ready before our next weekly forex forecast, so I can apply it to the forecast, and see what the hedge funds are doing in the market. So also, the COT will remain private for the student, though I'll be using it to teach here, but no one can access it except for the students. I will only give it out if I hit at least 2,000 subscribers on my Telegram channel and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I will give the password out to everyone to access it, and I will, on the dashboard there will be a video explaining how to use it to you. And yeah, that will be all for now. Don't forget to share to your friends so we can hit 1,000 subscribers on time, so we can go higher. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful and a peaceful week ahead. God bless.